See, I am completely not involved in any land dealing. I am not involved. तुम्ही ट्रॅक रेकॉर्ड माझा चेक कर. I know nor do I deal with land other than whatever land I own personally or my family owns personally, and business whatever land we have. I do not know this person Siddiqui Suleiman. I am not aware of who it is. I feel this is completely motivated, and if I am involved, let there be an inquiry. I am open to a CBI inquiry also on this. Let it happen. Why it is not happening? तुम्ही क्वेश्चन कर माझेर इन्क्वायरी हांव मागता मरे आनी कसलो भंय आसा म्हाका काय फरक पडना हांव ना जो मनीस नाचता आनी हांव आतां तुमच्या मुखार रावन तुमकां सांगता मरे आय एम ओपन टू एन इन्क्वायरी लेट देर बी एन इन्क्वायरी वाय द इन्क्वायरी इज नॉट हॅपनिंग यू आस्क द रायट अथॉरिटीज वाय देर इज नो इन्क्वायरी वेर इज द केस वेर इज ते एलिगेशन करीत मरे इन्क्वायरी जावनी मरे हांव म्हणटा जावनी म्हणून इन्क्वायरी हांव मागता
एसपीचेर बीन आनी हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी
आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो ऑन दॅट एसपी जावं आनी कोण कोण आहात ते म्हणटा पण इफ आय एम इन्वॉल्ड आय एम आस्किंग फॉर एन इन्क्वायरी नो लेट देर बी एन इन्क्वायरी सो इफ द पर्सन इफ द पीपल आर क्लेमिंग दॅट आय एम इन्वॉल्ड or he is claiming I am open to an inquiry. See, he has multiple cases on him. He is accused in many issues. How many issues am I accused? This is the first type of accusation in my career, 6 years that I am in. And we come from a family who has a lot of inherited land. I don't need to do land scam to take land in my name.
Defaming you.
It seems like that, no? See, I have already put a defamation case on. And with regards to inquiry, I am open to inquiry. जाऊन inquiry. माझे इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट खंय आहा ते दिसतलें.
ओके थँक्यू.